love working from home.
I love working from home.
I do not love working from home. There are a ton of distractions, and it is hard to focus.
Mommy!
Kids, cats, and creatures in the living room.
Honey, come watch the show with me.
Why is this so hard? Not now. Mummy's busy.
Mommy!
What?
Here, Lark! Lark is an all-in-one app that helps you do your work fast. Your schedule goes into the calendar. Your meetings take place in Lark video calls. Your chats go in Lark Messenger, and your documents go in Lark Docs. All your work is done in one app on your laptop and your phone. Super duper fast.
Cool.
With Lark, working from home has never been easier. You can spend less time juggling between different tools and spend more time with your loved ones. Get started for free.
Honey, come take a work break.